Welcome to Money, Finance, Wealth. Today, we're talking about a topic that's absolutely essential for financial stability: building an emergency fund. An emergency fund isn't just a financial safety net, it's peace of mind and a crucial part of building financial resilience. Whether you're dealing with unexpected medical expenses, car repairs, or a sudden job loss, having a dedicated emergency fund can make all the difference. If you're ready to take control of your finances and prepare for life's uncertainties, this video is for you. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money, Finance, Wealth, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. We bring you expert advice on managing money, growing wealth, and securing your financial future every week. A big thanks to our sponsor, Financial Wealth Management, for making this video possible. Let's dive in. First things first, why is an emergency fund so crucial? An emergency fund is money set aside specifically to cover unexpected expenses. Life doesn't always go according to plan, and when unexpected expenses pop up, they can create financial stress or even push you into debt. But with a well-established emergency fund, you're better prepared to handle these situations without disrupting your financial goals. Emergency funds are particularly important because they provide you with a financial cushion, reducing the need to rely on credit cards or loans in times of crisis. Without an emergency fund, even a small unexpected expense can lead to high-interest debt. So, how much should you save in an emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. This includes necessities like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. If you have dependents, are self-employed, or work in an industry with uncertain income, you may want to aim for 6 to 12 months of expenses as an extra precaution. For some, saving this amount may seem overwhelming, but remember that building an emergency fund is a gradual process. Start small and build over time. The key is to get started. The first step to building an emergency fund is setting a clear goal. Based on your monthly expenses, calculate a target amount that will cover 3 to 6 months of essentials. For example, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, your target fund would be between $6,000 and $12,000. Having a specific goal in mind helps make saving feel more achievable and keeps you motivated along the way. It's essential to keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account, ideally a high-yield savings account. This separation keeps your emergency funds from getting mixed with your regular spending money and ensures they're available when you need them. High-yield savings accounts often offer better interest rates than standard accounts, allowing your fund to grow while still being accessible for emergencies. If saving a large amount feels overwhelming, start small. Set a manageable initial target like $500 or $1,000 to cover minor emergencies. Then, gradually increase your contributions until you reach your full target. Even a small emergency fund can make a significant difference in helping you avoid debt during unexpected events. Automating your savings is one of the easiest ways to build an emergency fund. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each payday. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that saving becomes a consistent habit. By automating the process, you make saving effortless and eliminate the temptation to skip contributions. Whenever you receive a financial windfall, like a tax refund, bonus, or birthday gift, consider putting part of it into your emergency fund. These extra contributions can help you reach your goal faster and make a big difference in your savings. Even small, one-time contributions add up over time and bring you closer to a fully funded emergency account. Your emergency fund is there for genuine emergencies, not for everyday spending. Use it for unexpected expenses that are necessary, urgent, and unexpected. For example, it's appropriate to use your fund if your car needs urgent repairs, but not for non-essential expenses like a vacation or a new gadget. If you need to dip into your emergency fund, prioritize replenishing it as soon as possible. Go back to making small, regular contributions until you've rebuilt the amount used. The goal is to keep your fund available for future unexpected expenses. If you're looking to build your fund faster, consider trimming non-essential expenses. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can save. Cutting down on dining out, subscriptions, or luxury items can free up cash to boost your emergency savings. Taking on a side gig or part-time work can provide extra income to put toward your emergency fund. Even a few hours a week can make a meaningful difference and help you reach your goal faster. Any unexpected windfalls like tax refunds, bonuses, or monetary gifts are great opportunities to give your fund a boost. Consider putting all or a portion of these windfalls into your emergency savings to accelerate your progress. Building an emergency fund is one of the most impactful steps you can take to secure your financial future. By starting small, automating your savings, and staying committed, you can create a solid safety net that provides peace of mind and protects you from life's unexpected challenges. Thank you for watching Money, Finance, Wealth. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from this information. And remember, if you're looking for personalized financial advice, our sponsor, Fennel Wealth Management, is here to support you. Reach them at 888-336-8586. Visit fennelwealthmanagement.com, or email info@fennel.com.